Apple Tree House, a modern residence designed by ACDF Architecture in Montreal, Canada. Built in 2021, this home serves as a retreat that harmonizes with nature, connecting its occupants to the beauty of the surrounding environment. Concept and design philosophy. Apple Tree House stands on a 250,000 square foot plot surrounded by forest. The homeowners desired a residence that is not only modern, but also strengthens their connection with nature and their family members. The primary inspiration for this design comes from the apple tree, which holds deep significance for the owners. This apple tree is not merely a landscaping element, but a symbol of nostalgia and togetherness, passed down through generations. Its presence teaches the residents to reconnect with nature and care for it with mindfulness. Integration of the apple tree in design. The architects created a concept that seamlessly blends the interior and exterior by placing the apple tree at the heart of the home. This tree serves as the focal point connecting various spaces within the house, creating an atmosphere that evolves with time, seasons, and weather conditions. By nurturing this tree, the family not only enjoys its beauty, but also builds an awareness of the importance of ecosystem balance. Architectural structure, transparency, and minimalism. Apple Tree House is designed with a minimalist and modernist approach, using transparent elements to blur the boundaries between indoors and outdoors. The primary structure consists of two horizontal concrete slabs framed by solid aluminum, creating a clear visual boundary while remaining open to the surrounding environment. At the center of the structure, an opening allows the apple tree to grow, maximizing natural light and providing views of the sky and trees. 3 wooden volumes are incorporated between these horizontal elements, each serving a specific function. The first volume contains the garage and service areas. The second is designated for children's bedrooms and bathrooms, while the third comprises the master suite with the main bedroom, a private lounge, and a bathroom. Each of these volumes is designed as a private space while maintaining a visual connection to nature and other areas of the home. Connectivity with nature. The design approach of Apple Tree House prioritizes continuity between indoor and outdoor spaces. As residents approach the house, a large concrete pathway leads them to the main entrance. From the lobby, large glass panels provide a direct view of the central courtyard, home to the family's cherished apple tree. At the rear, a covered terrace opens up to the forest, serving as a cozy gathering space with a wood-burning fireplace and seating designed to create a warm atmosphere. A protective screen on the terrace can be lowered to shield against insects or extreme weather conditions, ensuring year-round comfort. Optimization of natural light and energy efficiency. The house's placement is aligned with the movement of the sun to ensure optimal natural lighting throughout the year. Strategically placed openings allow sunlight to enter the home all day long. During winter, sunlight not only provides natural illumination, but also helps warm the concrete floors, reducing the need for additional heating energy. Interior. Elegant simplicity. The interior of Apple Tree House is designed with a simple yet sophisticated approach. A piano near the entrance adds an elegant touch without disrupting the openness of the main living space. Polished concrete floors complement the expansive, open-plan living area, while floor-to-ceiling glass windows establish a direct connection with the outdoor landscape. To counteract the echo effect common in spaces with extensive glass surfaces, the ceiling is fitted with wooden panels featuring half-inch gaps lined with black fabric, ensuring comfortable acoustics. The heart of the family space consists of the kitchen, dining area, and lounge, furnished with minimalist design furniture. A suspended French fireplace serves as a striking decorative element, enhancing the artistic appeal without disturbing the home's visual harmony. The selected furniture features neutral tones with natural wood accents, while subtle hues like light gray, soft pink, and green add warmth to the space. Apple Tree House is a perfect example of modern architecture blending seamlessly with nature. With transparency as its core design principle, this home not only offers breathtaking aesthetics, but also provides a living experience that fosters harmony with the environment. From design philosophy to interior details, every aspect of this house is crafted to ensure comfort, functionality, and an invaluable connection with nature. That concludes our review of Apple Tree House. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home design inspirations from Block 7. See you in the next video.